Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Viber account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us in order to create a Viber account. First, make sure that you've downloaded Viber application on your mobile devices. Tab Open Library application once you download the app from the App Store or Play Store, and then the first interface of Viber will look like this. Tap on Start Now in order to begin. In order to start off with Viber, you'll need a phone number. Select a country from the drop-down at the top of the screen. And once you do so, type in your phone number, enter the phone number text box. While typing in the phone number, make sure that you're typing the phone number that you have an access to, since you'll need this phone number while using Viber all the time. Tap on the Continue button beneath. If this is your phone number, tap on Yes. If there has been a mistake typing in the phone number, tap on it and correct your phone number first. Now Viva wants you to allow access to your contacts. Tap on Allow in the pop-up. Allow more access and wait until the Viber gets activated. You'll need to type in a verification code that will be sent to your mobile number, or you'll receive a call. Simply pick up the call or typing the verification code into the text box. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this next page. Type in your full name. Select a date of birth and type in an email address that you have an access to into the text box beneath. You can also upload a picture for yourself by tapping on the camera button at the top. Select a picture from your camera library or take a picture from a camera right away. Once you upload your picture as well, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right-hand corner. Allow Viber to make and manage phone calls by tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Allow all the necessary accesses. And there you have successfully created a Viber account. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, as soon we're back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.